channel. It is Wake Up Wednesday. Yes, Penny's going to be joining me this morning for a little bit of our motivation video. So if you're brand new to my channel, then we welcome you with open arms. You're going to find so much motivation, fitness, lifestyle tips, everything that's going to make you feel happy, wholesome, and incredible. So Wednesdays, we do Wake Up Wednesday, which is all about opening up your mindset, enabling you to think bigger, feel better, and just ultimately have the best life possible. Hey Penny, kind of just like you. So today's video is actually one of your suggestions. So if you do have any suggestions, make sure you put it in the comments below, and also like this video. Give me a thumbs up because we always really appreciate your love and your support, and of course subscribe if you are brand new. So today we're going to be doing how to be successful at anything. So you can, hi Penny, you can play these 7 tips into all areas of your life, whether you want to lose weight, whether you want to be more successful in your job, whether that you want to do better at school, whether that you want to transform your life, whatever it is that you guys want to be successful at. If you just use these 7 tips, okay, 7 tips, you are going to be able to get there. So let's dive straight into it. And these kind of motivation videos are great to listen to in the car. You can just put the playlist on instead of listening to music, kind of fill your mind with positivity and belief and, you know, just amazing mindset skills. So the first thing of how to be successful at anything is you can't have any excuses. No excuses. All excuses, guys, have the same value. I don't have time, I have kids, I have pets, I wake up too late, I go to bed too late, my work schedule gets in the way. All of these things, by the way, are just excuses. And if you take out all of the excuses that you have, you will see just how many things that you can achieve in life. So number 1, I don't care how big the thing is, it's just a reason, it's just an excuse. You gotta take that straight out. Okay, this plant is attacking me. No excuses, I'm gonna keep on going with this video. So number 2, you've got to work hard. Work hard and discipline. 2 of the most important things of when you are wanting to be successful, because if it was that easy, then everybody would be successful at everything. So it really does take you doing the hard work, doing your nutrition plan on a Saturday and Sunday, as well as just Monday through to Friday. You doing the extra homework, when other people aren't doing it. You've got to keep working hard and having that discipline. And guys, when you start to work hard, you get to start to see the results, and then you get motivated to keep on going. So that action is going to keep you propelled and going forward. So work hard and have the discipline. Number 3, know why. Know why you are doing something. Like, why am I losing weight? Why do I want to get a promotion at work? Why do I want to be successful in this business? All these things, you need to know why and write that down. Make it really clear. And so when you're having that day when you're like, oh, I'm really struggling and I really want to be successful at this and I'm having a bad day and my head's and my mindset's not right, go to what you wrote down and say, okay, why I'm doing this. I'm doing this for my kids. Okay, great. Then do it. I'm doing this because I want to get in shape before a vacation. Great. Just do it. Remember why you're doing something. That's always going to bring you back to the root of why you got started. Okay, number 4, never, ever, 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 say it with me, ever, 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 give up. That's the only way that you can't be successful at something, is if you quit. Don't quit, just get better. Keep going and going and going until it happens. So how long do I have to do this for? How long do I have to do this nutrition plan for? How long until I'm successful? You do it until you are, okay? So you do it until you've got those results. So never ever give up, because sometimes people are so close to the verge of doing something amazing, and then they hear something or they do something and they just go, nah, I'm not gonna do it anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna be a quitter. Don't be a quitter, just get better. Say it with me. Not gonna be a quitter, I'm just gonna get better. Awesome. Right, number 5, take 100% responsibility. I've said this so many times before, and this really is gonna help you be successful at anything. If you believe and you take 100% responsibility for every action that happens, what that's gonna do is you're gonna learn from that, and you're not gonna blame anybody else. oh, you know, the reason that I didn't stick to my nutrition plan was because I went out for dinner and, you know, my friends ate something else. Or the reason that I wasn't successful in my business is because, you know, I didn't have the right customers. The reason that I wasn't able to do well at school, at sport, because, you know, somebody else took my position. Take 100% responsibility. If you want to be successful, you need to become better at sport. You need to become a better coach, okay? You need to become better at being disciplined to when you're around your friends and not sticking to their nutrition plan, but sticking to yours. So take 100% responsibility for all of your actions, everything that you do, and then you've got nobody else to blame. I never blame anybody else for something that's happened. I go, you know what? The only person I can change, the only thing that's within me that I have the power to do is to change what I'm doing. Okay, have the responsibility of what I'm doing. So always take 100% responsibility. Number 6, get better and learn from your mistakes. Just get better. Okay, we're not perfect. Everything doesn't just like happen with like roses and rainbows and unicorns. Things happen in our life, but it's how you bounce back from that. And things are just a feeling. If you don't want to do something, it's just a feeling. I just feel like I don't want to do that. I feel like I don't want to, you know, eat clean. I feel like I don't want to work out. Just do it anyway, okay? Because what you want is the result. What you want is what you signed up for in the first place. So it doesn't really matter how you feel. You've got to keep getting better and learning from those mistakes, okay? And just going for it and just doing it. So when you do mess up, and you go, okay, I didn't do a great job here. I wasn't very good, you know, with this client at work, or, you know, I wasn't very great with this, you know, my friend or like this family member. Just get better and learn from your mistakes, because that's what's going to help you in the future. And the more mistakes that you make, the better, the more experience you're going to have and the more successful you're going to be. So if you're going, well, I'm just so worried about making mistakes, so I'm just not doing anything, well, then you're never going to be successful. You have to keep getting better and you have to keep learning from your mistakes. How do you make mistakes to learn from them? You do, okay? You have to keep doing things to learn from the mistakes. And the last one, number 7, you've got to stretch your vision. Every single time that you achieve your goal, you have got to go, okay, what's the next goal? Where I'm going to be in 6 months' time, where I'm going to be a year's time, because that keeps stretching your mind as to where you're going to be successful at. And if you just want to keep improving and just a little bit more, you need to keep writing down your goals. Write down where it is that you see yourself and what the plan of action is going to be. And always stretch your vision. I talk about this all the time. You can have one vision for yourself, or you can multiply that by 10. And what happens, guys, if you like shoot for the moon? If you fall, you're only going to land among the stars. So what's wrong with that? So stretch your vision, think even bigger. So whatever your goals are right now, I want you to multiply them by 10. Because that's going to help you become even more successful. Because your goal was here, okay? But I'm going to get you to stretch your goal all the way to here. And so when you start to get successful, you're going to be more successful than you first thought, because you've stretched your goal. So keep thinking bigger picture, bigger picture. I'm going to keep going with more goals. I'm going to get, you know, even better. I'm going to improve myself. So those 7 tips, guys, those 7 steps are going to really help you in becoming successful in everything that you do. So no excuses. Work hard. Have the discipline. Know why you're doing something. Never, ever, 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 ever give up. Take 100% responsibility. Get better and learn from your mistakes. And stretch your vision. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's Wake Up Wednesday. Always love checking in with you. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram and Facebook, Rebecca-Louise Fitness, where I post a lot of my tips. I answer to all my DM messages. And guys, I have an incredible opportunity for you guys. So if you are wanting to be successful, and you are wanting to work with a team and you're wanting to work with a mentor, I take lots of people on who are interested in joining my team. Okay, so if you want to find out a little bit more about what it means to join my team, have me as your mentor, you know, guiding through these steps of being successful, whether you want to get amazing results, whether you want to have a career in health and fitness, I do that for everybody in my team. So I'm going to put all the details in the description below. It says become a coach. You just fill out the application, you just put your email address in, and it's going to send you some details of a call. We have them every single Wednesday at 10 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now that's currently going on in 2018. So if you do want to join the call, you want to get started with us, then I highly suggest that you just reach out and you take that opportunity to just say, you know what, Rebecca, I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna see what it is that you're up to, and I wanna be part of that. So guys, I can't wait to meet more of you. Penny is still wedged behind me. She's gonna say goodbye too. Thank you for joining us on Wake Up Wednesday. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye guys, say